Hey KB, welcome to today's logic lesson. And all we are going to do today is practice with one new sound. Okay. Now, when we do this, I would like you to have your whiteboard ready because we will practice spelling some words with our new sound. But first, let's check out the letter that we're going to learn about today. Here it is. This is our newest card. And this might be your first time learning about this letter and fingerspelling and reading with it, so I hope you are ready. So you can see just one letter on your screen. It's right here. This letter's name is Z. I know you all know that, but now we're going to mix it in with our logic words. So we need to know whenever you see the letter Z, you're going to make the sound Z. Can you practice saying Z? Good. Our sound for the letter Z, Z, is going to be one of our consonant sounds. And for right now, we're only going to practice with Z at the beginning of our words. So, why don't we do one last thing and put your hand on your throat, make the sound Z, and you should definitely feel that because this is a voiced consonant sound. So, here's what you need to know and remember. This letter's name is Z. The sound it makes is Z, and that is a voiced consonant sound that we're just going to practice with at the beginning of our words for right now. Does that sound good? Okay. Now what we can do is we're going to take a look at some words that start with this voiced consonant sound, Z. So, let's practice reading. I want your thumb ready. I want you to be able to make each sound, listen to yourself as you make those sounds, and blend them together to read some words. I'll do the first one with you, and then I want you to try a few on your own. So let's check out our first word. Put your thumb up. We're going to start right here with the sound Z. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Z, I, p, zip. Do that one all by yourself. Good. When I start on my thumb, I hear Z, I, p, zip. Here's our new consonant sound Z for Z, short vowel sound I for I in the middle, and then p at the end. Zip. Good job. So zip is our first word that we're practicing with the letter Z and the sound Z at the beginning. Let's move on to another word. Okay, I want you to try this one all by yourself first. Put your thumb up, look at the three letters, and try to make the three sounds and blend them together. Go ahead. Okay, hopefully when you fingerspelled, it sounded just like this. Z, ag, zag. Let's try that one more time. Put your thumb up and do it just one more time for us. Good. Z, ag, zag. In the word zag, we hear z at the beginning. A is in the middle. That's our short sound for our vowel A. And then g is at the end for the letter G. Z, ag, zag. Okay, let's try two more. Check out this word. All we did is change the last sound from zag to get something new. So put your thumb up and try this one all by yourself. Go ahead. Great job. Let's see if you got it right. When I fingerspell this word, I read z, a, p, zap. Will you do that one more time for me? Go ahead. Good. Z, a, p, zap. Let's check this word out. Here we have Z making our new sound Z. There's our short vowel sound A for A in the middle again. And then at the end we have P with the letter P. Zap. All right, we're doing a great job, and I just want to read one more word that starts with Z. Check out this word. See if you can get this one all by yourself. Go ahead. Okay, let's see if you got it. Um, when I look at this word, I put my thumb up and I read zig, zig. Will you do that one more time for us? Go ahead. Good. Zig, zig. Here we have Z. It's making our newest sound Z. In the middle, I hear I for that short vowel sound for the letter I. And here's our letter G again saying G, zig. Perfect, perfect, perfect job. Okay, our last job is I just picked 3 of the words that we just read that started with our new sound Z, and we're going to fingerspell them and write them on your board. So at this time, you need your whiteboard ready, have your marker ready, and be ready to spell some words for us. Okay? Your first word I would like you to fingerspell and write on your board is the word zap. So say zap. Think about the sounds you hear in zap and go ahead and write them on your board. We will check them together in a minute. Or in a few seconds, sorry. Okay, let's see how you did. Here we have the word zap. When I look at the letters in zap and think about the sounds, I hear z, a, p, zap. The word zap starts with the letter Z and the sound Z. In the middle, we should write A for the sound A. That's our short vowel sound for A. A. And at the end, I hear P. So I need to write the letter P. Z, A, P, zap. Please go ahead and change these if you made any mistakes, and make sure you have Z, A, P for zap. Okay, let's move on to our next word. So erase zap. Your next word is the word zag. Zag. So say zag. You should hear that z sound at the beginning. And write all 3 sounds you hear in the word zag. Okay, let's see how you did. Check out the word zag. When I'm writing this on my board, I hear z, so I should write z. A is our short vowel sound in the middle again, so I need to write A. And then g is at the end, so I should write G. Zag. Z A G for zag. Okay? Make sure you have zag, Z A G, and then we can try one more word, and that's it. Are you ready? Okay, let's do it. Our last word of the day is the word zip. Go ahead, say zip. Think about the sounds you hear in zip and write all 3 letters that make those sounds on your board. Okay, if you're ready, let's check it out. Here's the word zip. Okay, when I think about the sounds I hear in zip, I hear z, I, zip. So I need to write the letter Z for Z. I need to write I for the short vowel sound I, and then P. I should write the letter P. Z I P. Z I P. Zip. So please make sure you have ZIP for zip on your board. And let's remember what we learned today. Okay, let's go all the way back and check out our newest letter. This letter's name is Z. We've been practicing all throughout this video with its sound Z, and we have been practicing that this is a voiced consonant sound. We are using our voice when we say Z, and we're only practicing with this sound at the beginning of the word for now, in words like zip, zag, zap, and zig. Now, you did a great job practicing with this sound for the first time, and we will practice much more at school when I see you again.